Hey everyone! Did you know that according to a recent survey, 81% or 4 in every 5 employees feel more motivated to work harder when they feel that their work is appreciated by their boss and or employers? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrew Beaulieu. I am the CEO and founder of Bold Moves Coaching and Consulting based out of Canada. Today, we're diving into why gratitude is the secret sauce for better leadership and how it can seriously boost morale and effectiveness in your team. Contrary to common knowledge, gratitude is more than just an individual's emotional response that results in making other people feel appreciated. Actual scientific studies prove the benefits of gratitude contribute to an individual's character development and overall well-being. And in this video, we will look into some of these benefits and how we can achieve them in the workplace. 1. Gratitude is a leadership game changer. Practicing gratitude in the workplace doesn't just improve retention and productivity, it also helps build stronger relationships among colleagues. A workplace culture rooted in gratitude fosters stronger camaraderie, leading to better work relationships and a healthier, more positive work environment. 2. Gratitude cultivates a sense of fulfillment. Gratitude in the workplace helps employees find meaning and purpose through the genuine appreciation they receive for their contributions. It's not just about hitting targets or boosting the bottom line. It's about ensuring every individual feels they matter and are contributing to the organization's mission. The sense of fulfillment enhances overall happiness, drive, and motivation. 3. Gratitude enhances management capabilities. Practicing gratitude can help you become a more effective leader. It's a powerful tool for expanding your network, fostering trust among employees, and even boosting client loyalty. Studies have shown that gratitude is essential in building trust and respect between managers and their teams, which is the cornerstone of effective leadership. 4. Gratitude improves decision-making skills. Interestingly, gratitude has also been linked to better decision-making. Research from Northeastern University indicates that practicing gratitude can increase patience, which in turn leads to more thoughtful and logical decisions. This is especially valuable in high-pressure situations where quick, yet sound, decisions are necessary. Let's look at an inspiring case study that brings these points to life. Southwest Airlines. Southwest is renowned for its hospitality and legendary culture where people come first. Up until the global pandemic, Southwest, at that time 45 years in, had never laid off a single employee. They prided themselves on making their employees feel like champions by fostering a culture of appreciation, offering great benefits and opportunities for advancement, and promoting team unity. By treating their employees like family, Southwest has built an organization that is not only resilient but also a global leader in its industry. In conclusion, gratitude is more than just a nice to have in the workplace. It's a powerful tool that can transform your team and elevate your leadership. From improving retention and productivity to fostering a more positive work environment, gratitude has the potential to create a ripple effect of benefits across your organization. When you make a conscious effort to appreciate your team, you not only boost their morale and motivation, but also build stronger relationships and enhance your own effectiveness as a leader. And as we've seen with Southwest Airlines, a culture of gratitude can lead to incredible results, both for your people and your business. So I challenge you to start integrating gratitude into your daily leadership practices. Take the time to acknowledge the hard work of your team, express your appreciation, and watch as the positive impact unfolds. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who could benefit from a little more gratitude in their lives. See you in the next video. Hi everyone, I really hope you enjoyed watching that video and just want to share that we at Bold Moves Coaching are here for you. Whether you work in the corporate field, whether you're going through a career transition, or whether you're doing some life coaching, we have the framework, the expertise, and the support to help you along your journey. Your potential knows no bounds, and with the right partnership, we can unlock that potential and bring you to the life of your dreams, the life that you designed for yourself. Our leadership wellness and our positive leader program are elite programs that help people live into a more positive lifestyle, really looking at comprehensive wellness and taking care of themselves first. Self-care is the first step to showing up at your best. So visit us at www.boldmovescoaching.ca. Get on my calendar. Let's have a talk. There's no obligations. There's no cost. I just want to hear your story and see if there's a good fit for us to work together or to just be part of each other's journeys. So thank you again for watching the video. Stay tuned. There's going to be plenty more, and we'll talk soon.